In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Dragon Ball Legends error code 18099 problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution consists of two small steps. The first step is to update the game. The outdated game may be the reason we are having problems. To do this, we open the Play Store and type Dragon Ball Legends in the search bar. After doing this, if we need to update the game, we update it. The second step is to clear the game's cache files. To do this, open Settings. After opening Settings, click on Apps and Manage Apps. Then type DB Legends in the search bar. After that, click on Storage and Clear Data. The option we need to select here is Clear Cache. We do this and click OK. We have cleared the game's cache files. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is to delete and reinstall the game. We can try to solve the problem by deleting and reinstalling the game. To do this, press and hold the game and click uninstall. Click uninstall again to continue. We have uninstalled the game. Now, we open the Play Store to download it again. After opening the Play Store, we type Dragon Ball Legends in the search bar. After doing this, we install DB Legends. We have installed DB Legends. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If these two solutions didn't solve your problem, then the problem might caused by DB Legends servers. In this case, we have no choice but to wait for the developers to fix this problem. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.